SAP provides a trial environment of SAP Business Technology Platform (ABAP) environment with the following restrictions. All users of a trial instance in fact share the same instance. Thus, everyone can see and change everyone else's objects and code. This account is only for self-education, you cannot use it for other purposes. The lifetime is 90 days. In the trial account, the following features are limited. Limited access to applications on the administrator's SAP Fiori Launchpad. No apps for identity access management. No apps for communication management. No app for software component lifecycle. No support for custom identity providers. Not possible to use the SAP Destination Service or back-end connectivity to SAP S/4HANA systems. Not possible to create and assign business roles. To create a trial instance of SAP BTP, ABAP environment, you should navigate to your SAP BTP sub-account and select Service Marketplace from the menu on the left. From the Service Marketplace, search for ABAP and then click on Create. On this screen, most values should be pre-populated. Since we're using a trial account, your plan is shared, and you should enter an instance name. Under the Parameters tab, enter the email for your trial account. We've masked the email address used in this video. The Review tab will display the details you've entered so far for review before you click Create. The instance creation process may take a little while, and when complete, you should see the created instance from the Instances and Subscriptions sub-account menu. The created instance will be displayed. For the next step, you can create the service instance key, which in this case is managed by external applications, for example, Eclipse and ABAP development tools for development. The process to create a service key creation is the same as creating any other SAP BTP service. Click on the service instance and then select the Create option under Service Keys. In the Service Key Creation pop-up window, add a meaningful name and then click Create. The created service key will be displayed under Service Keys. Once the service instance and service key have been created, open the dashboard using the action icon, denoted by the dots. Your dashboard is nothing but an SAP Fiori Launchpad with numerous administrative apps. With a trial account, your user will automatically receive administrative access with the proper role. However, for an enterprise account, an administrator must navigate to the sub-account menu of the user to assign the related role collection. You cannot access the admin dashboard without this role collection. If you're logged in to an administrator role for an enterprise account, the creation of SAP BTP ABAP environment in your enterprise account will be similar, but you'll need to manually add the right role collections to your users. At this point, we've created and configured SAP BTP ABAP environment. Now you can start practicing development.